Hello everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I have another great idea using the Hey Chick stamp set that's making a comeback on February 2nd. Be looking for it and order it along with the coordinating dies. The dies have all different kinds of things. There's corn stalks, there's a barn, or chicken coop I should say. There's all kinds of things in there. But I kept it clean and simple. So here's the card we're going to make today. All right, I'm going to move this up here. First thing we had to do was to stamp and cut out. I'm looking for my chick. That cute little chick. I love this chick. Oh my gosh, his hair is a riot. I just think he's so cute. I again used my colored pencils, and I'm going to get started with coloring him in. I did his beak and feet with a yellow. And then I used some green. I have no idea what green it is. I have the old set. I have the new ones, but I don't know where they are. They're somewhere in this room. I'll find them one day, but that's okay. I can very easily do this. I'm trying to vary where I put these, so I'm looking at this one, but because you don't want the same colors the same place. So let's do that one there. I think that's good. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to do his tail. And then this one, I'm going to bring it all the way around. I'm going to put another little piece here because it would look funny if it didn't. All right. Excuse me. Now I'm going to bring in my blender pen, and I have a scrap of paper here to clean it off in between. And I'm going to first color in the green. All right. And it's just, all I'm really doing is kind of making the pencil fill it all in. And I'm going to clean my blender pen, and I'm going to do his beak and his feet. All right, and clean it. And then I'm going to assemble the card, and we'll come back and do the blue. That needs to dry or it will pill your paper. So let me move this to the side. I decided to use some Designer Series paper, and I went back to the Flowers for Every Season, and I chose this pattern and this pattern. This is Midnight Muse, and this is Just Jade. So those are the ones that I chose to use. I just wanted him as blue and green. I thought he was too cute. All right, so the first thing I did was I took a piece of cardstock, and I ran it through the Big Shot with the subtle embossing folder. I love that folder. I wanted a little bit of interest on the back. And then I'm going to put that onto a balmy blue card base. All right. To put that on, because it's embossed, I'm going to use tear and tape, because I want to make sure it sticks down. So I'm going to add my tear and tape, whoops, all the way around. This is a quick and easy card and can be done in any color to match your DSP. You could do blue and yellow, blue and orange, orange and red, green and orange. So check your DSP and find some patterns that you can use that kind of coordinate, and use those. Now I'm going to take my backs off, like so, all the way around. Make sure you burnish your ends, and they lift much easier than if you don't. I always open my card base up, because you do not know how many times I've put this on the wrong side. So I always open it up and lay the front in front of me, and then I know I've got this piece going where it needs to go. All right, got that on there. Now I'm going to take my 2 pieces of DSP, and this one is 2 inches by 4 inches, and it goes at an angle, and I'm going to put this on. No, I'm going to use my tear and tape, and the reason being is this is embossed, and I'm afraid that the glue won't hold it. And I don't want this cute little chick to fall apart when I send him to somebody. All right, so and I just put 2 strips down it. Not hard at all. All right, move that till I need it. Burnish my ends real good. All right. Okay, got that. And then I put this on at an angle, and I went almost all the way to the top, as you can see, so that I could get the angle that I wanted. Then I took a piece, if I can find it. I don't know what happened to my paper, so I just cut another piece. I don't know if I moved it, if it got mixed in with another card. When I do my videos, I try to do my videos for the week all at once. So I don't know if I picked it up by accident with one of the others. I'll find it later and just throw it in the container and use it for another idea. That's okay. All right, I'm putting this one on with the tear tape, also, double-sided tape also. All right, let me get it off. All right, and then this one I put at an angle, and again I watched the bottom and the side so that it was almost to the bottom and the side, like so. I then took a scrap of Balmy Blue, the stitch shape framelits, and this is not the largest but the next one down, not Balmy Blue, Midnight Muse, and I cut out my oval. This I'm going to put on with dimensionals because I want to add some